Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Located in south-central Saskatchewan, the village of Chamberlain sits along Highway 11, roughly halfway between Regina and Saskatoon. With a population of just over 100 people, Chamberlain is a small prairie community shaped by agriculture, transportation, and its strategic location at a major highway junction. Chamberlain was established in the early 20th century during a period of rapid settlement across Saskatchewan. Like many communities in the region, its development was closely tied to the expansion of the railway and the growth of farming. Agriculture has long been the foundation of life in Chamberlain.
Thank you very much.
The surrounding farmland produces crops such as wheat, canola, and barley, supported by the rich soil of the prairie landscape. Over the years, farming methods have become more advanced, but the seasonal cycle of planting and harvest continues to define the rhythm of the area. One of the defining features of Chamberlain is its location at the junction of Highway 11 and Highway 2. This crossroads has made it a natural stopping point for travelers moving between northern and southern Saskatchewan. As a result, small businesses and services have developed to support those passing through, giving the village a role that extends beyond its size. Nearby, Last Mountain Lake adds both natural beauty and historical significance to the region. As the largest natural lake in southern Saskatchewan, it has long been a gathering place for wildlife and people alike. The lake is home to a federally protected bird sanctuary established in the late 19th century, making it one of the oldest conservation areas in North America. Chamberlain is also known for a unique local landmark, a large sculpture of a moose standing near the highway. This roadside attraction has become a recognizable symbol of the village, reflecting the tradition of prairie communities creating memorable features that catch the attention of travelers. Today, Chamberlain remains a quiet but important point on the map, where agriculture, transportation, and community intersect. It offers a glimpse into the everyday life of Saskatchewan's prairie towns, where open landscapes, long histories, and simple routines continue to define the region. Thanks for watching!